Hello students, welcome to the third video of logarithm. In second video, we had studied the conversion from logarithmic form to exponential form and exponential form to logarithmic form. Now in third video, first we are going to study the types of logarithm. So in general, there are two types of logarithm. One is natural log and the other one is common log. Natural log is log to the base e. If the base of log is e, then that log is known as a natural log. Common log is log to the base 10. If the base of the log is 10, then that is known as a common log. So natural log and common log. How will you identify natural and common? So natural log is log to the base e and common log is log to the base 10. Okay? For example, log 100 to the base e equal to 2. Okay? In first example, base of the log is e. Log 100 to the base e equal to 2. Second example, log of a to the base e equal to b. Okay? So if the base of the log is e, then that is known as a natural log. Now, sometimes base of the log is not given. For example, it is given as simply log 2 is equal to 4. Okay? Here base is not given. If the base is not given, then we consider base as e. Okay, very important step. If the base of the log is not given, then by default base of the log is e. So log 2 to the base e is equal to 4. Okay, here it is written as log 2 equal to 4, but base is e. Okay, so if the base of the log is not given, then log is natural log, means log to the base e. Clear? Now common log. So common log, base of the log is 10. So example is log 100 to the base 10 equal to 2. First example. Log of 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. Second example, log of a to the base 10 is equal to b. Now students, in common log, log of the base should be 10. Okay, no other value. There is only one, only single value, and the value is 10. Okay, if the base of the log is 10, then that is a common log. Clear? Other than e and 10, base of the log can be anything. Okay, any number. It's not compulsory that base of the log is either e or either 10. It may be anything, any number. But if the base of the log is e, then that log is known as a natural log. If the base of the log is 10, then that log is known as a common log. Clear? Common and natural log. Now class, as you know that you can use the scientific calculator even in your exam. Okay, so when you are using your scientific calculator, there are two keys for logarithm. Okay, one key, in that it is written as log. Okay, and next to log key there is written as ln. So log means common log, ln means natural log. Okay, log means log to the base 10. So common log. L means log, N means natural. So natural log and common log. So if you are calculating log 100 to the base e, then you have to use ln key. Clear? For natural log, you have to use ln key. If you are calculating log 100 to the base 10, then you have to use log key. Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now, next is laws or formula of logarithm. So there are different formula of logarithm. Mainly we are going to use three formulas of logarithm. Main three formula. So first formula says that log m into n to the base a equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. That means what? See, m and n are any number. A is any base. Okay, base may be anything. So that here it is multiplication, right? M into n is given. So multiplication will be log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Okay. So for example, if the question is log 7 into 8. Okay. So that is equal to log 7 plus log 8. Okay. If multiplication is given, then we can write in form of addition. So log 7 into 8 will be log 7 plus log 8. Similarly, log m upon n. If it is in the form of division, then that can be written as log m minus log n. For example, log 7 upon 8 to any base. Base can be anything, any number. So log 7 upon 8 is equal to log 7 minus log 8. Okay. Division means subtraction. Multiplication means addition. Clear? Then third rule is, or third formula is log m raised to n. Okay. If it is given in the form of log m raised to n to any base, then that is equal to n into log m. Okay. This index will come here. Okay. So n into log m. So for example, log 2 raised to 3. So this can be written as by using the formula 3 into log of 2. Clear? So three rules or three formulas of log. First formula, multiplication formula. Multiplication formula means log m into n equal to log m plus log n. Second formula, division formula. Division formula means log m upon n, that is equal to log m minus log n. Third formula is raised to formula. So log m raised to n, that is equal to n into log m. Clear? These are the three important formulas. Now next is change of base rule. Okay. Change of base rule. In this, what we are doing? We are changing the base of log. Earlier, see, the base of log is a. and I want to convert this base into C. Okay, base of log is A, and from A I'm converting this as C. I don't want the base of log as A. I want base of log as C. So how can I convert base of the log? So for that formula is log B to the base A is equal to log B to the base C divided by log A to the base C. Clear? C is a new base. So log of B, log of value to the new base divided by log of old base to the new base. Okay. So for example, log of 7 to the base 10 is given. Okay. I don't want this base as 10. I want to convert this 10 into E. So formula will be that is equal to log 7, same value, log 7 to the base E, okay, to the new base divided by log 10 to the new base E. Clear? So formula is, if I want to change base from 10 to E, then I have to write log of value to the new base divided by log of old base to the new base. Okay. Now, there is one more formula. There is one more formula for change of base rule, and that formula says that log B to the base A. Log B to the base A is equal to 1 upon log A to the base B. Okay. Can you see what is happening here? Just we are interchanging this A and B, means value and base. If we are interested just to interchanging the value and base, then what we have to do, we have to just write 1 upon. Okay. So for example, log of 7 to the base 3 is given. Then that is equal to 1 upon log of 3 to the base 7. Okay. So change of base rule, there is two formula. One is, in first we completely want to change to a new base. Okay. In first, base was A and I am interested in C. Okay. Completely new base. So from A to C. A था, A से C पे जाना है, नया वाला बेस चाहिए. So new base is C. So now we are converting the base of log as C. For that formula is log B to the base C upon log A to the base C. In second one, we are not adding any new member. Okay. जो है उन्हीं में काम करना है. So क्या है हमारे पास? A and B. So what we are doing? We are just interchanging the position. Okay. We are just swapping. We are doing the swapping. So what we are doing? We are replacing A and B. So that is equal to 1 upon log of A to the base B. So formula clear? Now there are some more important formula of logarithm. You just remember these three important formula. First formula says that log A to the base A equal to 1. Okay. If the value and base is exactly same, then answer is 1. Means log 7 to the base 7 is equal to 1. Okay. If the value and base is exactly same, then answer is 1. Okay. Second formula says that log of 1 to the any base. Log of 1 is always 0. Clear? Log 1 to any base is equal to 0. So just remember, log 1 is 0. Okay. Third formula says that log a raised to x to the base a is equal to x. That means log 7 raised to x to the base 7 is equal to x. If this value and this base is same, then answer will be simply x. Okay, so three important formula. Log a to the base a is 1, log 1 is 0, log a raised to x to the base a is x. Okay, now we'll stop the third video. Okay, here we stop the third video. In fourth video, we see the examples of example based on this formulas. Okay, so thank you.